I'm gonna show you exactly how you're gonna make your first $1,000 selling on Walmart. Selling on Walmart in the past has been really difficult because there's never really been a good tool to find profitable products with. In this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how you can use Marter and MOA to find profitable products to sell on Walmart. These two tools make the sourcing process so simple, and it's gonna make it a whole lot easier to make your first $1,000 with selling on Walmart. So with that being said, let's get into the video so you can see what these two softwares are all about. And as always, if you got value, hit that subscribe button. Let's get into it.
One of the things that made sourcing profitable products for Walmart extremely hard is the lack of softwares that they had for so many years. And it's one of the reasons that really held me back from diving full force into Walmart. But now with Marter, things have completely changed. Now I'm able to source profitable products pretty easily and consistently. And they even came out with another tool that I'm about to show you that's going to be completely game changing for Walmart reselling. So first things first, I'm going to dive into the main tool, which is Marter, which acts as a Chrome extension when you are sourcing profitable products to sell on Walmart. And then after that, I'm going to get into the new software. So you can see here that it tells you what the seller is currently, how many sellers are on the listing. You see the referral fees, how much it would cost to ship WFS based on the sale price of the product. So WFS is like Amazon's FBA. That's what WFS stands for, Walmart Fulfilled Services. So then you would put your cost services in here. So I found this product for around 15 bucks on the website, and I was selling it for 33. So $8 profit here, 55% ROI. You can see, I know it doesn't sell a whole lot. It's just about 4 sales a month. There are other listings out there that sell hundreds of times a month on Walmart. So this is just like a low sales per month example. So you can see the revenue for the listing, and then you can see the price history right there as well. You can see what sellers have been on the listing. You can see the reviews. You can also see the buy box history in the last 180 days, as you can see here. So the brand has mostly been dominating this one. You can also copy the row to a Google Sheet. So let's say you find a profitable product that you want to list. You can actually copy the row, and then this will actually end up in a Google Sheet, or you can actually have it added to a Google Sheet. Click this button right here. It will take you to a video that will show you exactly how all this works. And then you can also reverse source. So if you click run reverse sourcing, it's going to show you what other websites might carry this product. So you can see the brand carries it. From there, you can go to the brand's website and actually source for the product at a low enough price. So that's basically what Marter does in a nutshell. It's really almost, think of it as like a SellerAmp, but for Walmart. So right here, you can see, you can click this button and it will take you to Walmart, where you can actually list the product on your Walmart store. You can report if it was gated here. So Walmart's starting to gate like big brands like Lego and Nike. But what I've heard is this is super, super easy to get ungated with on Walmart. Even like an invoice of 1 unit works. But yeah, and you can also go from Google here with a touch of a button. You can also go to Amazon. Let's check the price on Amazon. You can also go to eBay if you want to see if it's on eBay for a price that's profitable. And one of the cool things you can also do is, as you're on the retail website, you can actually click this Marter button, and then you can copy and paste the product title. And then it's going to do something similar to like how SellerAmp does it when you are on the website and you hit the SellerAmp button, it copies the product title. This is the same thing here, but a really cool feature for Walmart that hasn't been used yet. So you have that as well, and then you can select the product and see the listing there, and it will take you to Walmart with a touch of a button. So a lot of really amazing things that you can do with Marter. And one of the cool things that is just coming out now that I really want to give you guys a sneak peek on like how cool this one is going to be is this MOA. So MOA is really actually like a Amazon to Walmart software, but it's also going to have new suppliers that are coming out. So you can see there's a step 1 beta release right here, which is what they're at right now. So they really only have these 3 main features, but they are going to be adding more suppliers. They're going to be adding Target, Kohl's, and other ones. They're also going to be adding a live search like Nepeto. So how Nepeto has the live search, you can copy and paste a URL. They're going to be adding that in as well. And then they're going to be adding some amazing additional features down the line. You can get it right now for only $19.99 a month. So really awesome. But I'm just going to go into kind of like a dive of this software. So you can actually favorite items here and then export them. But what it does is it will source products on Amazon, and you'll be able to compare them on Walmart. So it'll open both the links for you, so you can kind of cross-reference them. So you see it's going to open the Walmart link, and then you can go ahead and pop up the Marter extension. And then from there, you can see how much you can buy this on. So you can buy it for $33. Obviously, this is not the greatest ROI. You can actually change the ROI if you'd like. Let's say you want to do a minimum of 30% ROI. You can do that. You can put the amount of profit you want, the buy price, the sell price, the BSR. So like if you want to look at listings that are, selling pretty well on Amazon, that probably would be selling pretty well on Walmart as well. You could do that if you want to go by a category. And guys, using the filters is a huge way to become successful with this thing. So let's say we're looking for household products or even home and kitchen, or it could be literally anything. Let's say we're looking for health and household products and trying to find them on Walmart profitably. So right here, we got a buy cost of $16. You can see on Amazon, and then Walmart, supposedly it says it's going for $31, leaving you with $7 profit. So we're going to pull this one up right here, and then we are going to pull up the Marter extension again, and then you're going to see exactly how much you'll be able to make on this listing. So you're going to scroll down, you're going to see all the metrics. It says it sells a couple times a month. You can see the buy box statistics here. So let's say we pull up the Amazon listing. We can actually touch it with a button here, and I'll pull up Amazon. So it looks like it's selling for about $15.99 on Amazon. So right now the buy box is at $29.49. So let's say we input that $15.99. We're left with about $3.33, 20% ROI. So that's like okay. Obviously, we could find something better. Looks like the price history, though, has been 32. So at the high end, you're able to make about $5.46 profit a unit. If you really like this lead, you can actually copy it to a row and then save it for your purchases. But then you kind of just would be rinsing and repeating from here. You would just go through these different ones, set the filters like I did. That'll definitely help things speed up. But then you can open the Amazon listing and the Walmart listing as well, and kind of cross-reference each of them and see what you can get as far as profit goes. So this one's selling for $4.89. It's selling for $14.41 on Walmart. So from here, you would pull up the Marter extension, and let's see what profit is on this one. So you can really see that things are going for a lot on Walmart, like more than you would think. It looks like this kind of has a history of bouncing between 15 and 5. So it's possible that Walmart also sells this one. This might not be the best buy, considering you see the price history here was 5. Honestly, you don't want to buy for 5 and sell for 5. So yeah, I would probably skip this listing, but then you can hop back in and open both the links and see what you can find. So yeah, usually it works when you open both links, and then now you see we got the Amazon one here. So you can buy this for $16.43, and on Walmart, let's see how much you can sell it for. So as it loads, looks like it says it's out of stock. So this is something you could relist and even set your own price on, which is a huge benefit. So yeah, Walmart has some issues, like things will go out of stock. So you can totally hop on and be like the only seller on the listing. And you can see the price history. So it's $26.96 it looks like. Yeah, so this probably wouldn't work out as far as price goes, but as sourcing goes, you're not going to find everything in one go. You got to be doing this for an hour, and you'll probably find 5 to 10 different leads from this search and be able to kickstart your Walmart store. But we found one pretty solid lead for you guys. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Really, all I wanted to do was show you, how powerful this extension can be and how powerful the new MOA software can be. So in the future, there's going to be a lot of really cool things coming out with this. And I can't wait to see how amazing the software gets, because, with all the different steps they have in place, and now you can get on it pretty early and watch it grow and see buyers, live search, and all the different stuff. So hope you guys got some value from this video. And as always, if you did, definitely hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.